Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some Valentine's Day makeup. Oh my god. A piece of hair got stuck in my eye. That was crazy. So very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my dairy, and you can stay better. Today we're gonna be doing some Valentine's Day makeup. Clearly we got a special guest. He don't want to go nowhere. He want to be in the video too. So maybe we'll put some lashes on you. You want some lashes? You want some eyelashes? High five. Okay, he wants some eyelashes. So let's hop straight into the video. Let's try to get something cute going. Just in case you guys need some ideas for Valentine's Day, I got you. I got you. I'm gonna try to have you. I don't want to have to put him up. He was laying in his cage. And then the moment he saw mommy pull out all her makeup and get on the bed, he's like, let me come over there. And let's jump into it, okay? Nothing to it but to get into it. Nothing to it but to jump into it. Bastion, you're gonna steal the show. You're gonna steal the show. You know that? He's gonna steal the show. He's gonna steal the spotlight. Should I kick him out? Should I kick him out? Y'all, I'm joking. That's my baby now. As long as he doesn't eat any of my makeup, he could stay in the room, okay? I swear the Fit Me foundation is always gonna be that girl. It does not matter. Like, I've been using this since I was in like high school. And it just never fails me. It always does its damn job. Like, I'm telling you, using it for years. The dewy and smooth and the matte. You cannot go wrong with it. I lean more towards the dewy and smooth nowadays because my skin is very dry. I used to have really oily skin when I was younger, but I had really bad acne, so I started taking Accutane. And once I was done taking Accutane, it dried my skin out so bad. So now I have to use foundations that are really moisturizing, or if I use a matte foundation, I have to moisturize really heavily before. And so now I'm just gonna let it sit for like 3 minutes. I cannot stand this Morphe thing. I can't tell if I broke this thing or if it came like this. Like, the first time I used it, it was fine. And then after that, it was just like, it was always falling off. But I'm just gonna spray this and we're gonna go ahead and blend out our concealer. Good boy. Stay over there. Y'all notice how as soon as I said good boy, stay over there, he gets up and starts. Notice how as soon as I say good boy, stay over there, he gets up and moves across the room closer to my brushes and tries to chew on them. Oh gosh. I just give him too many chances, honestly. And from this point forward, unfortunately, I'm gonna start putting him in the cage when I have to record because it's just too much. This is my inspiration, so I almost broke. Look at how I'm holding my arms. Look at how, like, why? Girl, why? You know, I really could have just inserted a picture. This is my Berries palette by Juvia's Place. Look at what happened to it, y'all. Oh my god! So I'm gonna go in with the middle color right here. It's like a lighter pink. And we're gonna do that. purple berry color, and we're gonna put that in the outer corner. Look at how pigmented that is. It scares me. So when I'm blending, I'm just keeping it low. I'm not like blending like up like I was doing with the lighter color. I'm just keeping it down and blending it upward. And we're gonna go in with this darker color, and we're just gonna put it on the end. Focus it just on the end. After this, we're gonna cut crease. That is it. We're not gonna, you know, be too extra. This is supposed to be something that's easy. I'm just going to pat it. I'm trying to build color so that it's dark on my outer corners. I'm not a makeup expert, but this is what I do and it works for me, so. Side to side in circular motions. This, it's like a shimmery. And I'm going to blend it into the glitter so that it has a, you know, it doesn't just look like it's there. Looks extreme. It definitely is right now, okay? It definitely is extreme right now. But that's why we have two sides to a brush, okay? Sometimes the blush takes it away. So just a little bit more. I like my nose to be chiseled. So that is why I contour my nose twice, before and after blush. Do my eyeliner, and honestly whatever way it goes is the way that I keep it, so yeah. Once you put lashes on, you're not going to be able to notice, like, when you put eyelashes on, you're not going to be able to notice all the little weird inconsistencies with the eyeliner, which is why I say stop freaking out so much about it. Just do what you can and go with the flow. Unless you're going for a thin liner, then you don't want to do this, but still. I'm going to take this white NYX liner and I'm just going to put it in my waterline so that I can open my eyes up a little bit.
I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stairs, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's
see, I'm looking like a doll. Why is all my makeup crushed?
Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are
where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you.
So usually when I apply mascara, I just do it like this first and then I'll use the end because this is what makes certain ones darker.
I saw potential in who killed chivalry. They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why?
I'm gonna go put on some lashes and do my hair, and we'll be back to check out the final look.
The one and only reason, baby, oh, our summer turned into fall. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my diary. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm very pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty.